Grammar Bites, Lesson 49, Parts of Speech, a few more things. In the Grammar Bites series, we watch all the videos, so we learn all the rules of English. In the last few videos, I've been talking about the different parts of speech. Now, if you've missed any of those, go back and watch them. But today I want to talk a few more things that I didn't have room for in my other videos. What can we do if we have a word and we don't know what the part of speech is for that word? I tell students, use a dictionary. You can use a paper dictionary, or my favorite is an online dictionary. I often look up words to find out what is the part of speech? How do I spell it? What does it mean? So let's say we have the word walk. We look it up in the Longman Online Dictionary. And here, can you see where it says the part of speech? It is a verb. This brings us to my next point. One word can have more than one part of speech. So if we scroll down in the Longman Dictionary, we'll see that walk can be a verb, but it can also be a noun. Let me give you some examples. If we're using the word walk as a noun, we write, I went for a walk. If we're using it as a verb, I walk every day. The last thing I want to talk to you about is word families. Now, word families are words that have something in common. Sometimes word families are words that have the same ending, like bat, cat, and mat. But today I want to talk about word families where it's the root word and prefixes and suffixes, so beginnings and endings. Let's use walk as an example. What other words can you think of that have walk in them? So here's some of the ones that I thought of. Walked, walks, walking, walker, walkers, walkies, walkable, walkathon. And I'm sure there's more. I'm showing you this because learning word families is a way to master vocabulary. So learning which endings go with which parts of speech is really helpful so that you use the correct form of the word in your writing. Let's review what I talked about today. A dictionary can help us find the part of speech. A word can have more than one part of speech. It depends on the sentence. Learning word families can help us build our vocabulary. Are you ready to talk about something other than the parts of speech? Me too. Thanks for learning with me. We'll see you next time. New Grammar Bites are just going to be every Thursday. Remember to subscribe on YouTube. You can also find my videos for free on my website, www.mycanadianenglish.com.